Okay, this is our the next lab. This is the centrifugal fan operations. And what we're going to do first off is we need to make sure that our inlet damper and our outlet are both open. Right now they are set to close. So we're going to turn it until we can see that it's completely vertical for the outlet. And we're going to make sure that this one is the 90 degrees also perfectly horizontal. You want to make it as close to straight as you can, because the little bit of air resistance that you cause by the damper being out is going to change your results. Okay, so after we've got both of these open, we're going to come over here and turn the power on. And right here, we're going to have our watt meter and we're going to have our fan speed. Right here is going to be our adjustment, where as you can see, you can hear the fan kicking on. We're going to be able to adjust the speed of the fan going up and down to the different speeds that we need. All right, right here, this is going to be the inlet, and it's in water columns. So you're going to have your manometer right here, so you can manometer, so you can read the water column in inches. And right here, this is the outlet. So you're going to want to make sure that you know where all four of these are, because you're going to have to get your watts, fan speed, outlet, and inlet water columns so that you can write them all on your table. This right here is a hot wire anemometer. Okay, right now it's got the rubber cap on it. When it's not in use, you want to make sure to put the cap back on so nothing gets stuck to that wire. It's very important because that's what we're going to be testing with it. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is, once we've got it turned on, we're going to look at our inches for our water column. And as you can see, it's just slightly below 0, which is fine, but we're going to bring it all the way up to a 0.9. So we're going to turn the speed on. And we're going to watch the water column keep dropping. Okay, and once you've got that water column set, you can see what your watts were, and you can see what the RPM speed is for this particular setup. After you've got these set up, again, making sure that the dampers are both set to vertical, you'll take off the cap. On this side right here, you have two different options. You have temperature, or you have your flow. We're going to switch it to the flow. And you just, if there's no movement, or if you have the cap on, it should show 0. But if there's any type of airflow, it's going to adjust. So you're going to try and put that in the middle and get it as close to stable as you can, and you'll take your reading. These readings will be put down on your chart. They'll be put down on your chart. And you'll want to make sure to record all your different speeds. And so you have multiple different speeds that you can do, starting with your 0.9 and slowly decreasing it until you fill that out. And you'll go through that, and you'll make sure that all of your information is recorded, and that will get you to the last step, which will be to plot all of your results and make sure that everything's on. When this lab is done, you want to make sure that everything gets shut back off and closed, because we don't need any type of outside debris to get inside of the tubing. And that's all for the centrifugal fan.